Okay, so for exercise 4-1, we are asked to compute different overhead application rates. Uh, ano ko lang ta, application rate yan. Ayan. Okay, so we are asked to compute for overhead application rates based on different allocation bases. So basically, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is itong total overhead or total estimated factory overhead ay i-divide mo lang dito sa allocation base, no? So, if you are going to do that, eto yung mga makukuha nating sagot dyan. Ayan. So, for number 1, that's 30 pesos per unit. Number 2, 25 pesos per machine hour. Number 3, 60 pesos per direct labor hour. Now, for number 5 and number 6, no, baka yung iba, pwede mo siyang i-express, no? Actually, wait lang, pakita ko lang. Originally, hindi to percentage. This is actually in pesos, no? So, if you are using pesos, so ang magiging ano mo dyan is 75 pesos, 75 centavos dun sa number 4, no? 75 centavos per uh, per peso or per direct labor peso, no? That's peso, sorry. Per direct labor peso. Kaya lang, if you express it that way, medyo ang hirap tandaan or nakakalito. So, so, para hindi ka malito, no, instead of expressing it uh, as pesos, mas maganda, express mo lang siya as percentage. So, this will be 75% of direct labor cost. Yan. Yun namang isa is 300% of material cost, no? Personally, I prefer it expressing I prefer expressing it that way instead of peso per direct labor peso or per direct labor cost.